A late Slovenian private collector's dream that Slovenia should have a museum of Chinese ethnography is finally about to come true thanks to the joint efforts of experts from both countries. Slovenian Navy officer Ivan Skusek Jr. was keen on collecting Chinese artifacts during his stay in Beijing between 1914 and 1920.
He had a vision to build a museum here in Ljubljana after he returned back from China, in the style of Chinese architecture. He also had huge pieces of Chinese furniture. And this is very interesting to know that actually Ivan Skusek was one of the first Western collectors who discovered these very beautifully refined lines of Chinese furniture and started to collect.
The Skusek family donated a collection of some 500 Chinese artifacts to the Ethnographic Museum located in central Ljubljana in 1963. The collection includes a pile of 10,000 wooden pieces in various shapes, which have been confirmed by Chinese experts to be a model of an ancient Chinese gate and some interior architectural decorations. The Chinese experts were invited to Slovenia and carefully restored the gate model and two groups of interior architectural decorations. They also shared with their Slovenian counterparts necessary techniques needed to continue the restoration work.
通过中国的历史文物，能够让斯洛文尼亚的学者的百姓也，他能够去更深入的去了解中国的历史风俗，我们的文化的这种特质。
The exhibition of these artifacts is scheduled to open in 2024.